Hello guys, welcome to our new class of business, H&D business, and in this class we are going to study about success or failure criteria of a project presented by Akmal Khan. Three project of objectives: performance, cost, and time. There is some function that uh, relates them to one another. These relationships are called as trade-offs. These three, performance, cost, and time, all three of them have got relation with each other, and this relation called trade-offs. Triple constraint. What is triple constraint? It's the about the has got a triangle shape, which is time, scope, and cost, or maybe cost, time, and scope. This is a kind of relationship between these three. Triple constraint: increases scope equal increases time plus increases cost. See, this is a formula: increase scope equals increase time plus increase cost. Means when the time increase, it increased in cost also. So both of them, when we plus with each other, it becomes increase in scope. Tie time equals increase cost plus reduce scope. When the increase in cost and plus reduce the scope, so this is called tight time. What is tight budget? Equals increased time plus reduced scope. This was the increased cost, and this is increased time plus reduced scope equals tight budget. Controlling time. There are several things that can cause a project schedule to require control. There are several things that can cause a project schedule to require control. Technical difficulty took longer than planned to resolve. Necessary preceding tasks were incomplete. Customer-generated change order required rework. Governmental regulations were altered. Controlling performance. There are several things that can causes a project performance to require control. Unexpected technical problems arise, and insufficient resources are available when needed. Quality or reliability problems occur. Client required changes in specifications. Controlling cost. There are several things that can cause a project cost to require control. Technical difficulties require more resources. The scope of the work increases. Budgeting was inadequate. Input prices changes occur. Define and measure success of a project. Develop project scope, product breakdown structure, work breakdown structure, project scope. Primarily, it's the definition and control of what is and is not included in the project. Work breakdown structure. What is it? A structured method for defining the work of the project. Purpose: to define all of those deliverables required to meeting the scope of the project, to identify additional deliverables that may have been missed to create the framework for the project schedule, to provide a forum for information sharing for the project team and stakeholders. WBS purpose or work breakdowns purpose. To plan a project, the total scope of work must be identified, subdivided into manageable segments, assigned to individuals responsibility to do the work, and documented. Work breakdown structure. This is the structure for work breakdown. This is, for example, we have got a goal, and this is the first deliverable, this is the second, this is the third, and each deliverable has got more deliverables, and so on and so forth like this. And each deliverable have got activities. When we finish these activities, then we accomplish this deliverable, and after that when we finish these activities we accomplish this, and after when we accomplish these both deliverables, then we accomplish this, and when we finish both of these two deliverables we accomplish this, and after that when we accomplish this we reach our goal. This is the project goal, and this is the deliverables and our objectives. What this is deliverable, and how these are the activities that how should be done, and activities, yeah, this is equal to scope. Work breakdown structure, this is another structure for more understanding. A work breakdown structure decomposes a project into activities and tasks. A work breakdown structure decomposes a project into activities and tasks. A work breakdown structure decomposes a project into activities and tasks. This is the simple definition of work breakdown structure, which decomposes a project into activities and tasks. Activity and task. Example work breakdown structure. This word en encompasses the entirety of the BIA project mission, project goals statement. Yeah. Work breakdown structure guideline should reflect how the project manager plan to manage the project. Emphasis must be on meeting project objectives. The larger or more complex the project, the more levels in the WBS. If work is needed that requires effort of funding, it should be included in the WBS. It should reflect the total effort. Guidelines continued, including three types of project work: product, specifically assigned to a physical product as a unique deliverable. This subset is sometimes referred to as the product breakdown structure. Integration, when products are brought together as a unit, can be at any level. Support, level of effort, administration, expenses, improvement, practices, contractor management. Relation between PBS and WBS. Okay, what is PBS? Planning package. Yeah, I will explain this later. This is for our next class. Hope you guys have learned something from our this topic, which was about WBS or work breakdown structure, and this was the structure. You guys have already watched this, and what else we study, project scope and definition, and define and measure success of a project, and controlling cost, controlling time, tribal conference, yeah, three project objectives, and this was the main heading of our this subject, success or failure criteria of a project. Hope you guys have learned something better from these classes, and hopefully see you in my next classes. Thank you guys.